Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can organize your projects on Canva. Select projects here, and as you can see, there are a lot of designs over here. And I want to put them in a folder, so I'm just going to select create folder here. I'm going to name mine thumbnails, and I'm going to just create folder. And here I am going to select it, and I'm going to select files, and I'm just going to put it in that folder to organize my projects. I'm not sure if you can put these in there. I feel like you can. Move to folder, yes you can. So press the three dots and just select move to folder and select the folder that you created here and select move to folder. That's pretty much how you can kind of organize your project, so it's not in this like one big bulk. You can actually put it inside the folders that you just made here. I think you can also favorite them. I'm not sure. But yeah, that is it. Oh, you can also view like kind of elements that you have favorited. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!